Hi everyone! It's Road Rash by 1996 and Electronic Arts. Let's get started. So here I'm going to go through the restroom to load my game. And it's Road Rash. Let me open the file. Oh yeah, it's actually Pearl. Some stealing happened, some scheming. Actually, FBI have called. They're doing investigation. So let me go through the street to the sport bike showroom. And here it's Kamikaze, the middle one, the green color one. Let's see its features. So it's a 750cc Kamikaze ZYX 750. The ZYX 750 is much smoother and more stable than any competitive 750 on the road. So they're trying to say it has a smooth, stable, nice and fine and crisp handling, and it's more competitive than any 750 bike which is on the road on the streets. And yes, that's they're trying to tell that even the acceleration will be pretty good. So it's $11,988. Okay, it's 100 HP slash 510 lbs. The handling is slow and steady, as so this point is related to the first point over here. It has a smooth and nice handling. The acceleration is hard in the sense it's a slow acceleration, but it will give a steady acceleration and a good movement later. That's another kind of a good point. And top speed is Harakiri. So yeah, so they're trying to tell that it has a decent speed, but we won't get to know until we race on the track. So let me buy this bike. Congratulations, you bought myself on your bike. Keep the rubber side down. So here I'm going to go through the Button Board Pacific Highway, 17.6 kilometers, level 3. Let's kill it and nail it. Yeah, this is the same bike which I was racing in level 3. Charlie, dead body, I think. Oh, he actually moved his leg. Half dead, half. So this bike, so I'm racing again in this bike to give a more clear image, get more in depth and have more details about this bike, to get in more details. Okay, so yeah, let's keep it going. We're back in the ocean, Pacific Highway, and Dex in front of me. Oh, what a kick was that? Whoa, two back-to-back kicks, mad kicks. Oh, a car just approaching. Hey, Gunther. Oh, that one was too close. So here I'm the 8th place. Because I'm happy, clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Oh, Jim got a heart smashed by me. I am in the 4th place. John is right in front of me. Now a heavy fight is going. Oh, just missed the fight. Shouldn't give up, shouldn't give up. Yeah, boss, right in front of me over there. Here the 4th place is oh! Here I win the battle. One of the deadliest racers. Yeah, now it's one-on-one, Mike and me. Oh! Mike, you only kicked me and you only fell, I think, huh? Mike, I'm telling you now, I think it's time for you to retire. Please, I'm humbly requesting you, please retire, so that you'll get respect. Otherwise, you'll lose respect by losing many games. I know you're a good racer before, but now you're not doing well. Give chance for youngsters. Okay? This fellow coming in between, that is what will happen. No coming in between for Road Rash. Warning. Okay, so it's been a while since I've spoken about the traits of this bike. So till now, as you were saying, it was going about 240 kilometers an hour, and the acceleration, now you see, it's not that bad. It's hard, but it's pretty good and stable. Okay, so I would recommend. It has a good acceleration, but definitely not better than Pero Grande, which was the last bike which I was racing. And the handling is pretty good. It has a tight turning, but I actually if you ask me, Pero Grande had a better handling, because there'll be more freedom of movement in the Pero Grande. But some people like this tight kind of turnings. They don't want to have that much of freedom, so that they'll have more control of the bike. Then they can go for this one. So both bikes are good. So if people want more freedom in their movement and the acceleration, then go for Pero Grande. Pretty cheaper as well. That's a bonus. So here we are here, Ronda. Oh, Ronda just fallen into the ocean. Helpline center. Hey! Oh, that one was close. Hey, Flynn. This Flynn nicely left, right. Pakka, I told you no, bar only would have gone. Top class bar is there no. Sri Lakshmi Venkateshwara bar. 5-star rating. That bar only went yesterday night. And today is like slowly is moving. Hey! Oh, I'm not talking. No. Oh, finally. Something in my way. Yeah, that was the last bike which I was racing. The one which is there with Gunther right now. Hey, Flynn, today also they told it was your birthday, it seems. Hey, everyone, wish him. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Where is cake, sweets, nice gulab jamun, everything you should get. You rich fellow. If you don't get this group cave, stupid fellow. Continue. You should get all sweets. What's your age also? Oh, your age is 62. Your age is 62. Now this Mike is fighting with me continuously after I slammed him. Now me and Ronda. Let's see how it goes. Right. Whoa! What was that? Be careful, there's a car right over here. This lovely mountains, ocean. Just hoping to visit there one day. Hey, Jim! And here, everyone, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me at Instagram at Yanai_Thunders. See you tomorrow!